my dear students and respected guardians. I am Debarati. My tutorial was set up with the motto to strengthen the foundation of English, and my teacher and I teach students of ICSE, ISC and CBSE boards. Over the year, as an English teacher, I have had a lot of interactions with many students from different schools and as well as their parents, and I have come to know the problems and difficulties that they basically face in English literature and language. It has come to my notice regarding English language that most of the time the students, they don't understand the topic. And even if they do, they fail to revise the topic as much as they should. And the reason behind that may be various. For example, the huge pressure of the syllabus and the hectic schedule that the students have nowadays, it does not give them sufficient time, and sometimes they do ignore the subject thinking that they have learned all about it. Whereas for literature, it is not only important to understand the lesson, but it is equally important for the students to present their answers with good vocabulary and correct tenses, which they often fail to do. I hope with my simplest explanation and some tips and tricks that has been helping my students for over 14 years, I'll be able to help all of you out there to clarify all your doubts about English literature and language. Not only all the viewers can benefit from these videos, but my students can as well benefit from it, because whenever they want to revise their lessons, they can just watch the videos and they can revise everything that I have taught them in the class. If you think my videos are going to be helpful for you, please consider subscribing to my channel. And we are also coming up with my own website that will help all the students prepare the lesson to the best of their potentials. The website will contain not only the notes and explanations of the lesson in detail, but they will also get worksheets along with answer key and explanation to the correct answer. To know more about it, you can check the description box. I will come back soon with an interesting topic from English language. Till then, take care.